When people imagine the future, urban scenes from sci-fi movies often come to mind. But the city is the only place where people will want to live. Let's take a look at a small little town in the future. The only way to connect surrounding cities with the town is by train or bus. In some cases, mobility services such as car rentals or car sharing can also be used. ECCOV proposes a future smart city mobility solution that can be used for short-distance travel within the village as well as for long-distance travel as it is connected to remote destinations. This is called a mobility disposal system, which is based on the natural phenomenon of street disposal. Wheels is blown over short distances by wind, but can be carried over very long distances by boats. The four-wheel electric cycle is a CECCOV, and the autonomous bus is a BOCO. The CECCOV and BOCO can be operated independently or combined as needed. The CECCOV is mainly used for delivery of goods or short-distance transportation within the town limits. The CECCOV can be ridden in the bicycle lane, and there is no need for an operating license and insurance. And of course, finding a parking space is a breeze. Meanwhile, the BOCO features a passage to the inside of the vehicle with doors, dustbin backwards and forwards. CECCOVs, as well as wheelchair and baby strollers, can board the BOCO along with regular passengers. Future smart cities should provide everyone with the freedom to move around within as well as outside of the city limits. While sci-fi movies like cities are still years away, a mobility disposal system utilizing system BOCOs and existing traffic infrastructure could be just around the corner.